So good afternoon all. Today we are gathered here to do a case study on the logical designs of IoT. As you all know, logical designs of IoT describes the conceptual understanding of the IoT ecosystem. It defines the software, the hardware components it is being used, and the communication gateways, the communication interfaces. All those will come under your logical design of IoT. So we'll have a case study on this logical design of IoT by taking the smart irrigation or the smart farming as a case study concept.
Myself, we are here to explain about the logical system of IoT in using the smart agriculture system. In that, farmers are facing many problems like crop diseases, waste of water, and the monitoring problems. In that, instead of this, the IoT system implements that it can monitor the crops and it can identify the decision and it can reduce the water leakage. It is based on the senses the problem and collects the data. Then it sends to the cloud and it shares data to the user. So it is very useful to the user mainly for the farmers that he can detect the problem clearly and it can be avoided.
I am going to explain about the problem statement in our case study. Many farmers do not know the exact level of the water consumption. So this leads underlying crops. The main IoT components which are used is mobile application, soil moisture sensors, Wi-Fi modules, temperature and humidity sensors, cloud platform. So these are the sensors we have used in this case study.
I am Jiva. I explain the logical design of IoT in this case study. It consists of four main parts: device layer, application layer, cloud layer, communication layer. Device layer: the sensor collects the data such as soil moisture, temperature, and humidity. Communication layer: the data collected through the Wi-Fi using HTTP protocols. Cloud layer: the cloud stores and analyzes it. If the soil layer becomes slow, it sends the commands to stop the water pump. Next layer, the application layer. The farmer reviews the live readings and receives the notification in mobile application. These are the logical designs that enables the efficient communication in IoT.
I am Pungeshwaran. Now I am going to tell about working process and the benefits. In working process, sensor sends the information from the field condition and then it moves to the data is transferred into the cloud and the cloud sends the information to the farmer and the farmer takes action after it alerts. And next, benefit. In benefit, it save water and the efficient use.
Hello, I am going to explain about the components of IoT. There are two components of IoT: sensors and actuators. Sensors sense the information and send it to the cloud, and the cloud processes the data. There are big data, so the cloud processes the big data and maintain the data, and it actually actuators. The actuator actually controls the overflow of the actions and return to the normal data. So these IoTs are very helpful to the real time, but why the farmers are in Tamil Nadu are not using these IoTs because of many challenges they are facing to the IoTs. The main challenge is the initial installation cost because the IoT is not fully developed in Tamil Nadu. So the cost of the IoT installation is much more than the foreign countries. So the IoTs are not installed more in Tamil Nadu. So this is early installed in Tamil Nadu, and also we have more installation engineers for the installation category. So also these is not only the challenge faced by farmers, there are many challenges faced by farmers. We have also the benefits, the future improvements in this case. The future improvements we can improve the engineers and we can also improve the AI-based system. When the AI is integrated to the IoT, we can get much more inputs and much more efficient from the outcome. So also now we came to the conclusion. But the conclusion of this case study, what we come out is the IoT is not only a single part of the engineering; it is going to be the future of the engineering. And when the IoT is combined to the artificial intelligence, it not only going to automate everything. It also can use to read AGS and advanced AI technologies. We can, since the AI is not fully grown, it is still in the early stage of AI. The AI is, need to improve this with the integration of many technologies, and IoT can play an important role in the development of artificial intelligence. And these case studies shows that farmers using IoT will get more yield and more can save the time. So thank you for the opportunity.
So thank you all for the wonderful discussion on the logical designs of IoT. So from this we came to know what are all the components that we use, like the sensors, actuators and the communication modules. We have IoT, different applications like mobile appliances, tablets, laptops, and we have also seen the communication protocols that are used in the logical design of IoT. Thank you all.